CRA Error ERR.041 is a login authorization error that affects thousands of Canadian taxpayers and tax professionals every year. This error prevents access to essential CRA online services, including My Account, My Business Account, and Represent a Client portals. ERR.041 typically occurs due to several common authentication and access issues within the CRA's digital infrastructure. When ERR.041 occurs, users cannot access critical functions such as tax filing, benefit applications, and account management, significantly disrupting their interaction with CRA services. As of 2025, ERR.041 remains one of the most prevalent technical issues encountered by taxpayers and tax professionals, particularly during peak tax season when system usage increases dramatically. When encountering CRA Error 041, start with these basic troubleshooting steps that resolve 85% of login issues. First, clear your browser data, including cookies, cache, and browsing history. Disable browser extensions temporarily and try using incognito or private browsing mode. Next, verify your username and password accuracy. Check for caps lock issues and ensure your account isn't locked or suspended. Browser compatibility is crucial for CRA access. Ensure you're using Chrome 90 or higher, Firefox 88 or higher, Safari 14 or higher, or Edge 90 or higher. JavaScript and cookies must be enabled. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, try alternative access methods. Use the CRA mobile app, access during off-peak hours, or try different browsers and devices. For persistent issues, use advanced solutions, including CRA's account recovery system, resetting security questions or two-factor authentication, or contacting CRA technical support. To prevent ERR041 errors, maintain regular account updates, complete tasks within single sessions, avoid multiple concurrent logins, and use dedicated browsers for CRA access. Remember, 85% of ERR.41 cases resolve through basic troubleshooting, with an average resolution time of 15 to 30 minutes. Following these prevention strategies will help you avoid future login issues.